Summer is here, friends, so we need something light and refreshing. And therefore, I'm bringing you not one, not two, but three solid, very simple yet delicious ways of making lemonade with ingredients currently available to you, I tell you. We're starting with making our simple syrup. We're infusing the zest of 2 lemons into it. The true essence of any citrus fruit is actually in the zest, friends. So you don't want to miss out on that. You want to include a little bit of that because that's where all the powerful oils are. So just a little bit will go a long way. So in this cup here or bowl, I have poured in equal amounts water, sugar. I'm stirring in the lemon zest, and already look at the color of it. That is enough proof that you need a bit of this in your lemonade. When you're zesting, you want to make sure that you're not including the white part of the peel, because that's bitter. So I have strained the zest out, and now I am pouring it into a bottle so it's easy to measure it, because we're making 3 different kinds of lemonade. And we are on to the next prepping phase of our lemonade production, which is squeezing or juicing the lemons, which I have washed already. I'm just halving them, and I'm going to juice them old-fashioned way, just like so, using a juicing cup. If you're visiting Nanaba's Kitchen for the first time, let me take the opportunity to warmly welcome you. Please let me know that by leaving me a comment. Also, please don't forget to click on the like button. And if you haven't subscribed yet, consider doing so, because I promise I'll bring you nothing but my best. And if you're returning, you know that this love I have for you is very deep. Thank you so much for the love and support. Perfectly done. I'm pouring it into a bottle again. Why? Because I will be able to measure it easily. And also, if I have any remnants, I can store it right there in the bottle in the fridge. So let's begin first with our old-fashioned lemonade. All right, so I measure 3/4 cups of the lemon juice into my mixing bowl. So that was half a cup, followed by 1/4 cup. I'm making a very small amount. So therefore, you can adjust the measurements to suit the size of the batch you're making. Now I am measuring the simple syrup into it as well, and that's just 1/4 cup. Now, this is not going to be too sweet, and it's a matter of preference. I also put a pinch of salt in there, and that just helps to balance the sweetness. And then I add my water. Now the water is drinking water, which I have pre-measured, friends. All right, so look in the description box. I'll leave all the measurements in there. Stir, and that is it. How easy and simple is that? I pour it into a bottle. And that's just to show that, hey, this is portable. You can carry it anywhere, to your next picnic, to your next gathering, and it's just so fun. Let's make the next one, which is our blueberry infused lemonade. So I have some fresh blueberry here, and you can use blueberry compote. And actually, I thought of doing that, but I wanted to keep things very simple. So I'm going to blend the blueberry with some of the drinking water that I have pre-measured. Keeping in mind that the blueberry itself will give us some juice, all right, friends? So then I pour it through the strainer, and voila, we have our blueberry juice. And then I measure the same amount of lemon juice in there, 3/4 cups. And the measurements I'm using in all 3 recipes ensures that the tartness is forward all right, in all three of them. So therefore you can adjust the measurements also if you don't want too much tartness or acidity. I've added the same amount of the simple syrup, now adding the rest of the drinking water, which I pre-measured, a pinch of salt, mix, and voila, done. And pay attention to that very beautiful precious color. I love it. I think it's very pretty. Now if I had decided to make a compote, then the color would have changed. It would have been a little more translucent and glossier. Yes, friends, so it would have presented with a more shinier, glossier appearance. Our third, final, and my absolute favorite of all three, which is the strawberry infused lemonade. Same process. Drinking water that I've already pre-measured in the bottle, I add that to the fruit, blend, and that's all she wrote. We have strawberry juice, friends. We pass it through the strainer, and the residue I'm going to actually store in the fridge and use it tomorrow to make some pancakes for my kiddos. Perfect. Done. And you know the drill by now, same measurements. So if you want it sweeter, and keep in mind that the strawberry also has some sweetness in it. So keep that in mind when you're adding your simple syrup, friends. So I have measured the lemon juice in there. Now we're adding the simple syrup. A pinch of salt, followed by the rest of the pre-measured drinking water. We mix, and that's done too, friends. Look at that color. Do you see why it's my favorite? It is bright and it's screaming summer. Yes, very, very pretty. I love this color. It almost has a peachness to it, a pink peachness to it. It's just very pretty. Now keep watching to learn a few fun ways of presenting this drink to your guests at your next gathering or just to your family, your children. Just some fun ways. All right, I think you'll love it. And just look at the colors. Just so stunning, friends. Yes, so I hope that you have enjoyed all three recipes. Like I said, the ingredients and their measurements will be in the description box. A slice of strawberry and some more slices of the lemon in the actual drink to infuse a more lemony flavor in there, and we are in business. They are simply stunning. Friends, thank you so much for watching. Make it a great day and have fun, especially in that kitchen. Thank you, beautiful person, for watching the video all the way to the end. Kindly leave me a comment and subscribe down below, and don't forget to share the video as well. Also, watch more videos. It is chop time, and here in Anaba's kitchen, chop time is always yes, friends. So pull up a chair. We are all friends and family here.